Hey guys, this is Scott Horn at the Owner Finance Network. We're going to take some time in this video and just talk about some quick title insurance on creative finance transactions. What to look for, is it available, things of that nature. If you find the video helpful, take a minute, like the video guys. Take a minute please and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. If you got any comments, just comment below. So most of the time, title insurance is available for owner finance type transactions. There is a rule in the marketplace out there where if the existing mortgage on the property is an FHA, VA, or home equity loan, title insurance is not available. Now, in the recent year or so, we've got a couple of underwriters now who have been willing to issue title insurance on FHA and VA policies, where the existing mortgage is one of those. All that really stems from the early 1990s. One single case out there where something went awry. I'm not sure what it was, but in the 35 plus years since, there's been no issues along the way that I'm aware of, at least. And today, we're actually able to help you with title insurance on FHA and VA type transactions where that is the underlying existing debt on the property. Now, when you're getting title insurance, let's say you're buying a home subject to the existing debt, can you get title insurance? Absolutely. Can you get an owner's policy? Sure you can, because you're buying the property. Can you get a mortgagee's policy? Nope. There's already a mortgage in place. So unless there is a second lien being carried back by the seller, or unless you're getting a second lien from a private lender of some type who may want title insurance, in that case, those guys would be entitled to their mortgagee's title policy. As I said earlier, if that deal you're taking subject to is FHA or VA, oftentimes we are able to help you get title insurance on those transactions today. But you've got to think about that. Now, on the flip side, when you're selling your property to a back-end buyer, is title insurance available? Again, the same parameters will arise if it's an FHA, VA, or home equity underlying debt on the property. If it's conventional, if it's a commercial bank or private, not a problem. So you make sure you ask your title people, is it available? Can they do it? Title insurance is title insurance. That buyer can get an owner's policy like anything else. If you're the lender and you're carrying back a mortgage on the property, can you get a mortgagee's title policy? That's a lender's policy, guys. Absolutely you can. And it's just ensuring you understand what it is that you're actually getting and or is being paid for. Now, when we're buying homes as investors subject to the existing debt, the odds are if we want title insurance, we're paying for it. On the flip side, if we are selling our home to a consumer where we're the lender and we're the seller, and we're doing possibly a wraparound mortgage, that buyer is in most cases going to pay, or at least start off paying, all the closing costs as well as the cost of that title insurance if they want that. Whenever you're dealing with realtors out there, they all think that title insurance is something that is mandatory. It absolutely is not. Title insurance is a lender-driven industry, and if I'm the seller or lender in a transaction, I really don't need title insurance to do my transaction. And so because of that, it flips over to the buyer being responsible to pay it in that instance. Title insurance is a helpful way of doing some things. Sometimes it helps a buyer go ahead and buy that property. They just feel more comfortable with that. That's great. Is it mandatory? No, but is it a good thing? It gives everybody what I kind of call the warm fuzzies. Absolutely it does. And so all that can work out well. The biggest thing I think you have to think about is if you're closing with a title company, is are they familiar with creative finance? Who's going to draft the paperwork? Is it being done properly? Is anyone going to look it over for you at all? Do you have any assistance or any help in that regard? Making certain you're getting proper disclosures between your seller, your buyer, whatever that may look like out there so things are handled correctly. Once you have all that, close your deal, get your title insurance, move on down the line, guys. Hope you all found this a little bit helpful about title insurance in the creative finance world. If you did, take a minute and like the video, guys. Don't forget to make any comments below. We'll do our best to get back to you on those. Hop over and join us on our YouTube channel as well. And we'll look forward to seeing you all next time.